So I just put a load on to manually dry for half an hour just to give it a bit of a airing. And I heard the machine, the Beko, go beep, beep. So I came in, I was like, what's going on? It's only gone and done exactly the same error that had happened before. So it's on the on and off. Skip a program. Skip a program. Skip a program, nothing happening. See? You can't press start. Drum light comes on and off. But you can't press start. Oh, hang on, it is starting now. Hang on. But you can't choose programs. So I'll do that. We'll see what happens now, but it's starting to do that thing again. This is exactly what happened last time. Okay, so update, I've just contacted Beko and they are sending out an engineer on Monday to come and have a look at it again. But the problems with this are identical to what it was before. I always clean the filters out every use using the vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment. I spent £45 on a replacement better quality filter for it, so that it would protect it even more, and it is still broken with the same issues, and I have no idea why. So personally, I would stay away completely from Beko hybrid tumble dryers, heat pump ones. There we can see the model details on there. Avoid this like the plague. This is the second machine in a matter of 5 months that is broken, so avoid it.